Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, HD radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.